where we walked yesterday. I thought you came back in a bike. Yeah. That's what I'm gonna do. Because it gets you places quicker. You guys know when we get there. This is really dreamy though. That's how you feel. Bye. They are. Yeah, but you should have got
You're going to be taking these drinks. I'm telling you. I literally had to leave my drink out there as well, and I barely even drank it.
I managed to smuggle mine in. I don't know, I just like was discreet, like put it under my shirt a little bit.
That's very fake.
How do you zoom in with this? Yeah, because that was really close to your eyeball. This is actually really cool. How much was this?
Paid like £79.
Okay, never mind.
That's actually cheap.
What's that? Not for a uni student. I have food to buy. I have bills to pay, you know. But being here, God will provide, right? When I leave this place, I will see 2K in my bank account. Not specifically, by the way. But never mind.
Let this be our love gift to you as we come into the kingdom. God bless you. Go ahead, please. Let's give Jesus a big praise.